everybody, it's Wendy, and today we're going to open the Adornable Elements Beads of the Month Club for the month of November. So this is the Gemstone of the Month Club, actually, this month. First of all, our encouraging word for today, I just pulled this one out randomly. I thought it was so cute. Surround yourself with cupcakes, not negativity. So awesome. I love cupcakes. Too much, in fact. Okay, so the Adornable Elements Beads of the Month Club. So this month it looks like we have Rhodonite. They have many different clubs. You can sign up for 1, you can sign up for 10. It just depends on what you want. I do have a coupon code. It is Wendy10. That will get you $10 or 10% off of the first box of each club that you sign up for. Okay, that's a mouthful. 10% off of the first box of each club that you sign up for. So if you sign up for the Gemstone of the Month Club and the Fire Polish of the Month Club and the 2-hole beads of the Month Club, you will get 10% off the first box of each one of those clubs. So they're very generous to do that. But let's take a look at this. Let's see what we've got today. So first of all, we've got the double. This is the double. You can do double or single. This is the double Gemstone of the Month Club. This is Rhodonite. So we're going to take a look here at some beautiful Rhodonite. I will be doing tutorial on these beads or on this package here. So if you have not subscribed to my channel and rang the bell, you will miss it. So please do subscribe and ring the bell. All right, so look at this. We have a hexagon point pendant, 8 by 31 millimeter. Wow, these are beautiful. Oh, these are really cool. So these are top drilled, briolette drilled, so you would wire wrap if you wanted to. There's other ways to do it. You can also take wire and create some little spirals here on the side and put jump rings through. We'll probably do one of those things. These are beautiful. Pretty Rhodonite. Look at that. I think I like this one the best. They're both pretty. This one has a lot of the black veining through it. Really pretty. Okay. So that is the hexagon point pendant. Then we have 4 by 6 rondelles. That would be these. Again, beautiful. Really pretty little rondelles. Okay, those are a good size too. They're not too big, they're not too small, and there's so much variety in there. You've got the pinks and the olive green look. Really pretty. Okay. Number 3, we have a 6 millimeter round. Ooh, these are pretty. I like these. I like something about just a smooth 6 millimeter round that makes me happy. Look at those. Gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous beads. This one right here. So pretty. Oh my goodness. And this one's really pink down in here. There's all different shades in here. You've got your olive green, almost a burgundy, some almost orange color. Beautiful. Okay. I'll fool with that later so y'all don't have to struggle with me. And then we have a faceted round in 2 millimeter. Oh, these are pretty. Wow, look at these. These are teeny tiny. 2 millimeter faceted round. But these bring such sparkle to a project. Look at that. They are gorgeous. Now these, you have to have some thin string to string these on. So you're looking at a very thin fire line, or I don't know if beading wire would work. Possibly, we'll have to see. But those are gorgeous. Really pretty. All right, then we have a coin, 10 millimeter coin bead. So cool how they put these different shapes. Look at these. Those are pretty. So a 10 millimeter coin, there's a lot you could do with these. These are really cool. This would make a pretty bracelet. Yeah. Beautiful. Okay, a matte heishi 3 by 5 by 10 millimeters. Oh, that's these. These are different. How unique. I like these. Oh, these are really cool. Yeah, these definitely are going to be needed to be on a bracelet. These are super cool. Look at these. My goodness. This is my favorite one so far. That is really awesome. I love how they're matte. It's going to be really pretty to mix them with some sparkle. Those are gorgeous. Wow. Huh. Really like those. Those are cool. Alright. Oops. Okay. And then last but not least, we have a 4mm round. So again, nice smooth round. These are great for spacers. They're great for just, you know, they're just classic pretty. Beautiful. So these are gorgeous. I'm going to have a lot of fun with this box. Now, let's take a look at the findings pack. So this is a gunmetal findings pack. Let's see what we've got in here. This gunmetal is going to be beautiful with this rhodonite. I'm glad they chose gunmetal and didn't try to go with like a gold or a copper, because the gunmetal just brings out the black. It's going to be so pretty. So let's see what we have here. Alright, so we have a link strand. Oh, this is cool. Look at this. Oh, wow. This is really pretty. So this is just links. You've got a little sparkle in there with the silver. Oh, this is nice. These... Oh, I forgot the lid wasn't on that. Okay. Oh, wow. I don't know. I was thinking a bracelet for these, but we may have to do a necklace and use this chain. This link in here. That's really pretty. With these matte heishi beads. Get this out of the way before I spill them everywhere. Yeah, this is really nice. Beautiful color. Beautiful gunmetal. And really, really unique and pretty. So that's awesome. Then we have a Figaro chain, 4mm links, it looks like. This is pretty too. Look at this. Really nice Figaro chain. Yeah, I like that a lot. Okay. Then we have cutout star ear wires with backs. They always put the most unique findings in these packs. I love them. Oh, these are awesome. Okay, look at these. Oh my goodness. Wow. I'm trying to make it to where you can see the cutout. My camera is not wanting to focus for some reason. There we go. Oh, that's so cool. Those are awesome. Love those. Wow. They have backs on them, and you get quite a few here. You get 3 sets. Wow, how nice. So those are awesome. I love those. We're going to have fun with this box. Then we have a lobster clasp. You get 4 lobsters. These are a nice size lobster. I think they're 16mm. Oh, 13 by 8 it says. Okay, so they're not the teeny tiny little 12mm. These are nice. Very pretty. Okay, and then we have swirl head pins. Now these... I love these. Look how cool these are. Oh my goodness. We're going to have so much fun with this box. These are just awesome. So swirl head pins, and you get 6 of them. These are going to make really cool earrings. Love these. You could hang something, dangle something from here. Those are awesome. And then we've got some twisted jump rings, 18 gauge, 6mm. So these are really cool. See how they've got the twist on them? What am I trying to say? Not pattern. The word can't come to me. I'm so sorry, guys. I have been so sick. Chris and I have both been so sick. And my brain is just still not recovered. It's just not. But those are so cool. Texture. That's what I was looking for. Texture. Okay. So look at this findings pack. Oh my goodness. This findings pack along with these absolutely awesome beads. This is going to be a really fun box to work with. Look how pretty this gunmetal looks. with this rhodonite. So, wow, great job, Adornable Elements. I gotta say, I love it. Can't wait to get into this one and start putting something together. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, please, please do. Ring that bell so you know when I upload the videos. And I will have links for Adornable Elements, Beads of the Month clubs in the description box below this video. You can check them out. And I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.